This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Scifres. Suite and home on the main floor filled with windows, 3 sliding glass doors and so much natural light. 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths. The flooring in the family room and the owner's suite is brand new scraped wood laminate flooring. The home has been professionally painted from top to bottom. On cold winter nights, cozy up by the gas fireplace, unique in Woodridge. Don't miss the chance to live in this wonderful neighborhood with a pool and tennis court. Come be part of the Pointe community. For more information, review the details below or contact Scifres at 812-323-1231.